Hey there, science fans! Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of energy that lies beneath our feet? Did you know there's a hidden treasure right under our feet? It's not gold or diamonds, but something even more valuable in today's world. It's a clean, sustainable energy source called geothermal energy. This incredible resource has the potential to revolutionize how we power our lives. The Earth's core is super hot. In fact, temperatures can reach up to 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This immense heat is a result of radioactive decay and residual heat from the planet's formation. This heat radiates outward, warming the Earth's crust. The closer you get to the core, the hotter it gets. But even at accessible depths, the temperature is high enough to be harnessed for energy. We can tap into this natural heat to warm and cool our homes. Pretty cool, right? Imagine using the Earth's own energy to keep your house comfortable all year round. Geothermal energy is renewable, meaning it won't run out like fossil fuels. As long as the Earth exists, this energy source will be available, making it a reliable option for the future. And it's environmentally friendly, producing very few greenhouse gases. This means it has a much smaller carbon footprint compared to traditional energy sources like coal or natural gas. Geothermal heat pumps are the key to unlocking this treasure. These devices are designed to efficiently transfer heat from the ground into buildings, and vice versa. They act like underground heat exchangers, transferring heat between your home and the Earth. During winter, they draw heat from the ground to warm your home, and in summer, they release heat back into the ground to cool it. Let's dig deeper into how these amazing systems work. Geothermal heat pumps consist of a loop of pipes buried underground, a heat pump unit, and a distribution system. The loop system circulates a fluid that absorbs and releases heat as it moves through the pipes. Installing a geothermal system involves drilling or digging to place the loop system in the ground. This can be done vertically or horizontally, depending on the available space and geological conditions. One of the biggest benefits of geothermal energy is its efficiency. These systems can achieve efficiencies of 300–600%, meaning they produce 3 to 6 times more energy than they consume. This translates to significant cost savings on energy bills. As we look to the future, geothermal energy stands out as a sustainable solution to our growing energy needs. By investing in this technology, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and move towards a cleaner, greener planet. Ongoing research and innovation are making geothermal systems more accessible and affordable. Scientists and engineers are constantly finding new ways to improve efficiency and reduce installation costs. Community projects are also popping up, where neighborhoods or towns collectively invest in geothermal systems to power multiple homes and buildings. This collaborative approach can make a big impact on local energy sustainability. Raising awareness about geothermal energy is crucial. Educational programs and initiatives can help people understand the benefits and encourage more widespread adoption of this incredible resource. The potential of geothermal energy is immense. If harnessed effectively, it could provide a significant portion of the world's energy needs, reducing our carbon footprint and helping combat climate change. So, next time you think about energy, remember the hidden treasure beneath our feet. Geothermal energy is not just a dream, it's a viable, sustainable solution for a brighter, cleaner future. Let's embrace this incredible resource and work together to make it a reality. So how do we get this geothermal energy into our homes? Geothermal energy is a sustainable and renewable resource that lies just beneath the Earth's surface. By tapping into this natural heat, we can efficiently regulate the temperature in our homes. But how exactly does this process work? That's where geothermal heat pumps, also known as ground source heat pumps, come in. These innovative devices are the heart of a geothermal HVAC system. They harness the Earth's stable underground temperatures to provide heating, cooling, and even hot water for your home. These systems use a network of pipes called a loop system, buried underground. The loop system can be installed horizontally or vertically, depending on the available land and soil conditions. This network of pipes is crucial for transferring heat between your home and the Earth. The loop system circulates a special fluid that absorbs heat from the Earth. This fluid, often a mixture of water and antifreeze, travels through the pipes, picking up the Earth's natural warmth as it moves. This fluid then travels back to the heat pump inside your home. Once inside, the heat pump extracts the heat from the fluid and amplifies it, making it suitable for heating your living spaces. The heat pump concentrates the heat and distributes it throughout your house. This can be done through various methods, such as radiant floor heating, forced air systems, or even traditional radiators. The result is a consistent and comfortable indoor temperature, regardless of the weather outside. In the summer, the process reverses. Instead of drawing heat from the earth, the heat pump extracts heat from your home and transfers it to the cooler ground. The heat pump extracts heat from your home and transfers it to the cooler ground through the loop system. This process effectively cools your home by leveraging the Earth's natural cooling properties. This provides efficient and eco-friendly cooling. By using the Earth's stable temperatures, geothermal HVAC systems reduce the need for fossil fuels and lower greenhouse gas emissions. This not only saves you money on energy bills, but also contributes to a healthier planet. Geothermal systems are known for their longevity and low maintenance, making them a wise investment for the future. Think about a cave. It stays relatively cool in the summer and warm in the winter, right? That's because the ground beneath our feet has a relatively stable temperature year-round. Geothermal HVAC systems take advantage of this constant temperature. The ground acts as a giant heat sink, absorbing excess heat in the summer and providing a source of warmth in the winter. This means your geothermal system doesn't have to work as hard as traditional HVAC systems to heat or cool your home. It's like having a natural thermostat built right into the earth. One of the coolest things about geothermal HVAC is its versatility. A single system can provide both heating and cooling for your home, year-round. No need for separate furnaces and air conditioners. In the winter, the system extracts heat from the ground and pumps it into your home, providing comfortable warmth. In the summer, it reverses the process, pulling heat from your home and transferring it to the cooler ground. This two-way functionality makes geothermal HVAC a convenient and efficient solution for all your home comfort needs. Section 5. Good for the planet. Geothermal's green credentials. Now let's talk about why geothermal HVAC is so good for our planet. Traditional heating and cooling systems rely heavily on fossil fuels, which release harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Geothermal systems, on the other hand, use the Earth's natural heat, significantly reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. They produce very low emissions, making them a much cleaner alternative. By choosing geothermal, you're making a conscious decision to reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a healthier environment for everyone. Section 6. Saving green while going green. The economic perks. Going green with geothermal doesn't just benefit the environment, it's good for your wallet too. By tapping into the Earth's natural heat, geothermal systems provide a sustainable and cost-effective solution for heating and cooling your home. While the initial installation cost of a geothermal system might be higher than traditional systems, the long-term savings are significant. Think of it as an investment in your future. Traditional HVAC systems may seem cheaper up front, but they often come with higher maintenance costs and shorter lifespans. Remember how geothermal systems use the Earth's natural heat? This renewable energy source is not only abundant, but also incredibly efficient. Unlike fossil fuels, which are subject to price fluctuations and supply issues, geothermal energy remains stable and reliable. This means they use less energy to heat and cool your home, resulting in lower monthly utility bills. Imagine cutting your energy bills by up to 70%. That's a substantial amount of money saved each month, which can be redirected towards other important expenses or even savings. Over time, these savings can add up, offsetting the initial investment and saving you money in the long run. In fact, many homeowners find that their geothermal systems pay for themselves within a few years. The durability and low maintenance requirements of these systems further enhance their cost effectiveness. Plus, many states offer incentives and tax credits for homeowners who install geothermal systems. These financial incentives can significantly reduce the upfront costs, making geothermal systems more accessible to a wider range of homeowners. Additionally, some utility companies offer rebates for energy-efficient installations, providing even more opportunities for savings. The installation process itself is also becoming more streamlined and efficient, thanks to advancements in technology and increased demand. This means less disruption to your daily life and a quicker return on your investment. And let's not forget the environmental impact. By choosing geothermal, you're reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a healthier planet. This is a win-win situation where you save money and help protect the environment. So, When considering the switch to geothermal, remember that the economic perks are just as compelling as the environmental benefits. It's a smart, sustainable choice that pays off in more ways than one. Section 7. Busting Myths, Geothermal HVAC Facts You Should Know. There are some misconceptions floating around about geothermal HVAC. Let's bust some myths. Some people think geothermal only works in certain climates. Not true. Geothermal systems work efficiently in all climates, from chilly Alaska to sunny Florida. Another myth is that geothermal systems require a lot of land. While larger properties can accommodate horizontal loop systems, vertical loop systems can be installed in smaller yards. Don't let these myths prevent you from exploring the benefits of geothermal. Section 8. Real Homes, Real Savings, Geothermal Success Stories. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from real homeowners who are reaping the benefits of geothermal HVAC. The Smiths, a family of 4 in Michigan, installed a geothermal system and saw their energy bills drop by 50%. In sunny California, the Jones family enjoys year-round comfort and significant energy savings thanks to their geothermal system. They love knowing they're doing their part for the environment too. These are just a few examples of how geothermal HVAC is making a real difference in people's lives and homes. Section 9. Is geothermal right for you? Factors to consider. Geothermal HVAC is an excellent option for many homeowners, but it's essential to consider your specific needs and circumstances. Factors like your home's size, insulation, and your local climate can influence the system's efficiency and cost-effectiveness. It's crucial to consult with a qualified geothermal installer who can assess your property and provide a customized solution tailored to your needs. They can also guide you through available incentives and financing options. Remember, investing in a geothermal system is an investment in your home's comfort, your wallet, and the planet's future. Section 10. The future is geothermal, a step towards sustainability. As we strive for a more sustainable future, geothermal energy emerges as a beacon of hope. It's a clean, renewable, and efficient way to power our homes while reducing our environmental impact. By harnessing the Earth's natural heat, we can create comfortable and healthy living spaces for ourselves and future generations. Geothermal HVAC is not just a technology, it's a step towards a greener, more sustainable world. So let's dig deep, embrace innovation, and unlock the potential of geothermal energy together.